So I turned on my TV, tried connecting to my Wi Fi, and this happened. I hit please try again once, twice. Honestly, no matter how many times, it just wouldn't connect. If you're stuck on this exact situation right now, do not panic and definitely don't reset your TV just yet. After hours of troubleshooting, I found out the issue isn't a bug in Android or Google TV. It's actually hidden deep inside your Wi Fi router settings. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. First, we need to access your Wi-Fi router. Open up a browser on your phone or PC. Type in your router's IP address and log in. Next, click on the wireless tab. Look for the network mode and make sure it's set to 802.11bgn mixed. If your router doesn't have the exact option, you can just leave it on BG. Right below that, find channel width. Open the drop down menu and select 40 MHz. If your router only has one default settings here, just leave it as it is. Once that's done, click Save to apply the changes. To make sure the new settings actually take effect, we need to restart the router. Once your router boots back up, check your Android TV. This should completely resolve the issue and set you back online. Now, if method 1 didn't solve the issue for you, this next step is likely the culprit. Head over to the Wireless Security tab. Under the Security version list, make sure to select WPA2/WPA3 Auto and make sure you choose the Personal Recommended option, not the Enterprise. This was actually the exact setting that was causing the issue for me. I had my router set strictly to WPA3, and because of that, my Android TV completely failed to connect every single time I tried. Older or specific TV hardware just can't handle WPA3 on its own. And once you've switched it to WPA2/WPA3 Auto, click Save just like before and let your router restart. Once it's back up, your TV should instantly recognize and connect to the network without any errors. If you have any questions or get stuck with your specific wireless router, just ask me down in the comment section below. I'll do my best to help you out. I've also got tons of other useful tech guides and fixes on the channel, so make sure to check those out before you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.